Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to show you something very briefly and quickly regarding the new Xiaomi Mi A2 smartphone that's been announced and launched. It's the successor to the Xiaomi Mi A1, the really successful budget smartphone of last year. On GearBest at the moment, if you search for Mi A2, there are a few versions here. This one is the 4GB. This one here is the 4GB version with 64GB of storage. It's £224. So it's also running the very popular Snapdragon 660. It looks a very promising smartphone for only £224. But the main thing is, if you click buy now, GearBest are chucking in a Xiaomi Mi Band 3 for absolutely nothing. So if you come down here, promotion minus £30. So it's still only costing £224. So I'm not sure how long this offer is going to be lasting, but if I was you, I'd definitely take a look. I will be getting the Xiaomi Mi A2 on this channel, hopefully in the next week or so. Ships between July 31st and August 4th, but sometimes there can be delays, and I'm going to get the denim blue one. I think it looks gorgeous. I have a feeling this phone is going to be very, very popular and very, very good, especially for the price. Snapdragon 660. And I believe the camera is going to be rather good as well. It's got Gorilla Glass 3, IPS 5.99 inch. Looking very promising. So yeah, guys, if you're interested and you want to purchase one now, then and you want the Mi Band 3, then go ahead and purchase it, because I'm not sure how long this is going to last. But please keep your eyes open and subscribed to see my unboxing and review of the Xiaomi Mi A2. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon.